UCPath Online will be unavailable during 2 separate 7-day outages in March. What does this mean for you? During the 2 outages, faculty, staff, academic personnel, and student workers will not have access to UCPath Online and will not have the ability to conduct self-service functions, such as accessing or downloading pay statements, W-2s, leave balances, and other employment records. If you're planning to file your income taxes in March, be sure to download your W-2 in advance. Please mark the following dates on your calendar. If you have a question or need assistance during the outages, faculty, staff, and student workers are welcome to contact the UCPath Center directly to speak with an associate Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Pacific Time at 855-982-7284.